Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video. How you guys doing? Welcome back, guys. So here, guys, I'm here to do another reaction video to the group JO1, and I believe this is a music video to their song Get Back. So I'm curious to see what they're gonna give me in this music video. I'm curious. Oh, this is 4 members from the group. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Okay, rapping. Back. I like this beat. Okay. Three, two, one. Okay. Get back, get back. Child, Nike, stay endorsing these people. Stay back. Three, two, one, good boy. Okay, JO1, get back, get back. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. That, as you guys can see, that was JO1. I believe that was 4 members from the group. This is a song Get Back music video. Just something fun. It was very cute. It was something fun to listen to. I really do like that song. Good job, JO1. Good job, good job, good job. From what I remember, I believe they're Japanese. If I'm not mistaken, they're Japanese. So good job, konnichiwa. And I want to say thanks to the one who recommended me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.